Hello, my name is Athena. I come from Taiwan and currently on an exchange program in Gustav Eiffel. And in this project, I am the designer of the French dress and the project manager.
Okay, hello, my name is Julie, and I'm also from Taiwan as an exchange student in IMAC. And me and Angela, we work on this Taiwanese dress together. We design and make it together.
So the project, it's made by 4 Taiwanese students and 1 local French student. And it's about expressing our sentimental and emotional transformation and changes that happened from us from Taiwan to France, and for the local people meeting us, the process of us meeting from not familiar with each other, being scared or being surprised, and with all of the cultural shock, and to getting to know each other, to feel the culture of the country, and then maybe become friends, or maybe something more. So it's about a journey. It's about a maybe a never-ending journey for people who leave their homeland to a foreign country. So we took the inspiration from the famous designer Paco Rabanne, who used original materials and designs, and we would like to do the same. Okay, so there are 2 dresses, and this one is made by 3D printer, and it represents France. The pattern is Projet from the balcony design, and it's the shape of France.
Okay, so this one is made by a wood laser cutting machine, and it represents Taiwan. And you can see the pattern. It represents like a kind of flower called begonia and the luck, and the other one is like represent the good luck and fortune pattern.
It is the Taiwanese traditional window design.
The process that after we knowing we are going to making a dress, so the professor told us like we can make the dress in Fab Lab, who offer the materials and something, and it's like we need to do the dress like in a limited material and a limited time, so it's really like a challenge for me. And I feel like making like the process really like it is inspired by Paco Rabanne, and the way also because when we handmade it, we link it, we connect with each other, so it's kind of like reflects my feeling in the dress. Like when I was making the dress, also like identify myself. So I think when this dress is totally like can represent my feeling, my emotional transformation between Taiwan and France.
And so for the dresses, the pieces, it's printed and sponsored by Vaplab. I thought that we couldn't do anything. And so once we get the pieces, we had to start the non-stop and making. I think it took these over 2 weeks, whole days. Like in general, it's a lot of work. And the most difficult part for me at the beginning was to wait for the pieces to print out, to try on the color, if the color suit each other, if they make a good combination. And that's the most torturous part. And also with the rings, because for this dress, the French one, it takes way more rings and way more pieces than the Taiwanese one. So it really was a lot of work. And the part I hated the most was to fix it, since it weighs a lot because of the materials and because of the shape, the numbers of the holes. So it took a lot of time to click them all together it broke easily. So I think the time to fix it took more than to make it. So yeah, but in general, it was really, really fun, because this is the first time ever I designed, like we started from making the model using we used Inkscape in this. Also the first time I've ever used the program in to design, to adjust, and then we made the model. We finally see the real pieces, and then we just started trying to put everything together. And yeah, it has been a really challenging but really fun journey.
It is our first time, like 4 of us, like from zero to really make a performance. Like we need to do the design first, and no, it's like we need to do like our brainstorm first and start to like manufacture our dress into the real one. Then we need to start to like fixing, because this is the dance performance, so we need to the dancer should like do the choreography, and we also need to edit it, and we need to like contact with the building with performance. We need to talk to the security, because like our professor also she told us like like we need to communicate with a lot of people they are working, and this like we also learned that not only doing this, we also need a lot of administration work, and also the like in the space we need to take focus on the echo, everything, the lights, everything. So it's really a cool but really big challenge, and I think through the process make us like knowing that build and held a performance activity is really like you need to really pay really attention.
I talked a lot.
Yeah, I think that I want to like personally I want the audience can feel like a kind of recognition, like even though they didn't like never live between these two different cultural, but during the performance I hope that they can feel like they can see our like
point of view.
Yeah, point of view, or like
they can
feel the change of ourselves, like even though they don't feel like they've never been there, but I want them to see our difference or our struggling things and what we reacted
struggles.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not just about Taiwan to friends. It's about from anywhere to anywhere.
Yeah.
From
everyone
your home
can feel.
For people, we want them to resonate with us, because I think it's a situation that happened on a lot of people.
Yeah.
And we're just trying a different way. With the dress and with the dance together.